Hello everyone, welcome back. It's been a while. I had an unfortunate encounter with a Pennsylvania pothole. You know, the type about yay big and that deep. And I blew out both of the front shocks on the black Mini behind me. And I thought, well, darn, that's expensive. Fortunately, well, not for the owner of that car, but fortunately for me, that car's dead. So I'm going to take the brand new shocks and throw them on this car, which should only take me about an hour. In that intro, I wasn't super enthusiastic about the idea of this video being all that interesting. It's just a shock transplant from one car to another. An hour of shooting, 5-minute video, but it wasn't an hour's worth of shooting. I think my total was 5 or 6 hours just for one side, which is also why this is going to be a two-parter. So let's get started. Time for the next one. That one bolt is the reason that this took so long. What happened was that bolt slides through a little carrier that holds the shock from going up and down. So when it broke, it held that piece in, so I couldn't slide the shock up and out. So I had to instead pull this whole steering knuckle assembly out, swap it with the other car, because thankfully I had another one lying around with a dead Mini. The problem is that everything on there was rusted. So on my black car, everything came off pretty easy. A lot of that was new when I got the car. It got new lower ball joints, like all that stuff is pretty much new. On the cream Mini, which is my donor car in this video, I didn't get that lucky. Everything there looked like it had been there for quite a while, and no matter how much PB Blaster I used, it wanted to stay. That's what turned this into a multi-hour, multi-day, very frustrating project that at the moment I was very upset, but now, I mean, at least it makes an interesting video. Cool. Time for drastic measures. Hold on. So, underneath this, there's 2 bolts down here. See that? You'll notice right there, There's no bolt. I don't know where those went. By this point, it was starting to get dark. I had just had to cut off a piece that I really didn't want to cut off because it made the car immobile. So I decided that I would just stop filming, break the lower ball joint free, put the other car back together because I needed my Black Mini driving at least enough that I could move it around for the next day, because I knew I wasn't going to be able to make it to the other side with not only was it getting dark, but it was starting to rain. It was that night was just horrible. On the bright side, the next day I came back, I took a look at everything, I learned from my mistakes, which means that this is going to have a part 2. Thank you for watching. Those of you who are new here, welcome. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and as always, I will see you in the next one. Look out for part 2 on Thursday, most likely. Thank you for watching.